Looking for top-notch audio quality and comfort? The best Bose headphones deliver immersive sound and advanced noise cancellation to elevate your listening experience. Whether for work or play, these headphones set the standard for premium wireless audio. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Bose quietcomfort headphone. The Bose quietcomfort Ultra headphones are designed to deliver an immersive and personalized audio experience with advanced features that set them apart from other wireless headphones. Equipped with spatial audio technology, these headphones create a three-dimensional sound environment that makes music feel incredibly real and immersive. The custom tune technology further enhances this by personalizing the sound profile to match your ears and listening preferences, ensuring the best possible audio clarity and richness. One of the standout features of these headphones is their versatile noise cancellation modes. Quiet mode for full isolation, aware mode to let in important environmental sounds, and immersion mode, which combines full noise cancellation with Bose immersive audio for a deeply engaging listening experience. This makes them adaptable for any setting, whether you're in a noisy office, on a busy street, or relaxing at home. The built-in microphones focus on capturing your voice clearly during calls while minimizing background noise, making them ideal for both casual conversations and professional calls. Comfort is a priority with the quietcomfort headphones, featuring soft ear cushions that gently hug your ears and a headband designed to evenly distribute pressure, allowing for extended wear without discomfort. Bluetooth 5.3 technology ensures a stable wireless connection up to 30 feet from your device, and with Simple Sync, you can easily connect and sync these headphones with Bose smart soundbars for seamless audio control.
Number 2. Bose A30 Aviation Headphone. The Bose A30 Aviation headphones are specifically engineered for pilots and aviation professionals who demand uncompromising audio clarity and comfort during long flights. These full-sized circumaural headphones feature a lightweight design with 20% less clamping force than the previous A20 model, significantly enhanced in comfort during extended wear without sacrificing noise isolation. The A30 uses advanced active equalization to shape incoming audio signals, delivering clear and intelligible sound even in the noisy cockpit environment. Noise cancellation is top tier, with 3 selectable modes that allow pilots to tailor the active noise reduction based on the specific situation or personal preference, whether flying at high altitude or taxiing on the runway. The microphone is precision engineered for aviation communication systems, designed to work with hot mic or push-to-talk PTT setups, and filters out background noise to ensure crystal clear transmissions. The headset's durability and reliability are proven by rigorous testing, having passed 145 quality assurance tests to meet FAA TSO and ESA ESTSO C139A certification standards. The removable and side-swappable boom microphone and down cable offer flexibility and convenience, allowing users to configure the headset without tools. Number 3. Bose Quiet 20-Watt Headphone. The Bose Quiet 20-Watt headphones stand out for their impressive blend of high-resolution sound capture and multimedia functionality, although the description is a bit mixed with camera specs in your notes. Assuming this model prioritizes powerful audio performance, these headphones likely deliver crisp and detailed sound with strong bass and clear mids, suitable for a wide range of music genres and audio content. Featuring noise-canceling capabilities typical of Bose, they help reduce ambient noise for an immersive listening experience, whether you're commuting, working, or relaxing. Their build quality would be expected to combine comfort with durability, using soft ear cushions on an ergonomic design to ensure long hours of wear without discomfort. Given the 20-watt label, these headphones possibly offer a high power handling capacity for louder volumes and richer sound without distortion, making them ideal for users who like their audio to be punchy and dynamic. They likely include wired or wireless connectivity options and a built-in microphone for hands-free calling. While some camera specs were mistakenly included, the core strengths of the Bose Quiet 20-Watt headphones would be their robust sound performance and noise isolation, aimed at users who want both quality and power in their audio gear.
Number 4. Bose Comfort 45 Headphone. The Bose Comfort 45 headphones offer an excellent balance of noise cancellation, sound quality, and comfort, making them a popular choice for anyone seeking premium wireless headphones. These around-ear headphones use advanced noise-canceling technology, employing tiny microphones that continuously monitor and cancel external sounds with inverse signals. The battery life is impressive, with up to 24 hours of playback from a single charge, and a quick 15-minute charge gives you an additional 3 hours for those on-the-go moments. The Comfort 45 charges via USB-C, making recharging convenient and fast. Bluetooth connectivity is optimized for a reliable wireless connection within 30 feet, supporting seamless pairing with phones, tablets, and other devices.
Number 5. Bose Triple Black Headphone. The Bose Triple Black Headphones combine iconic Bose noise cancellation technology with a sleek all-black design that looks as good as it sounds. Like other models in the Bose lineup, these wireless headphones feature advanced noise canceling that uses tiny microphones to continuously detect and neutralize ambient noise, creating a quiet space to immerse yourself in music or calls. Comfort is prioritized with plush synthetic leather ear cushions and a lightweight frame designed to minimize pressure on your head, making these headphones comfortable to wear all day long. Whether you're after unmatched noise cancellation, crystal clear sound, or all-day comfort, Bose headphones deliver premium quality for every listener. Choose the model that fits your lifestyle and enjoy an immersive audio experience like no other. Happy listening.